In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your wiper blades on this 2008 to 2010 Ford F-250. The process for the passenger side will be the same as the driver's, so I'm only going to show you one. Let's get started. Start by lifting up the wiper arm. In the middle where the wiper blade connects to the wiper arm, if you flip the wiper blade backwards like this, you'll see a little tab. Pull out on that tab, and then you can slide the wiper blade straight down. There we go. Sometimes they're a little bit stuck on here, but there's your wiper blade. To reinstall it, take your new blade, line it up, and press it up until it clicks. Pull it down so that you ensure that it does not fall off by itself. Then gently put the wiper arm back down and do the same to the passenger side if you need to.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.